What is up, Queijeros? Today I'm in my kitchen, as you can see, and I'm going to be making pão de queijo and documenting the process. So pão de queijo is a super popular thing that Brazilians eat. It's basically just like bread with a lot of cheese in it. It's really good. So yeah, I found a recipe online that I've made a bunch of times. I like it a lot, and so I'm just going to show you what I do, how I do it, and how delicious it is. So here we go. All right, so these are all the things that I'll be using. A bowl. So as you guys saw in my last video, there's a Brazilian store kind of close to where I live. It's like 25 minutes away. And I got a bunch of stuff. I get stuff from there to make pão de queijo, to make it extra good and extra special and extra Brazilian, because that's what tastes best. So I got this polvilho azedo there, and then I get special cheese. Tastes good. Tastes extra good. Using that, an egg, olive oil, milk. You're supposed to use like normal milk, but I just use almond milk. It works fine. And then mozzarella. So lots of cheese in here, lots of other good stuff. I'm gonna get going. All right, so I have my polvilho in the bowl that I'm gonna use. I have my my wet ingredients aside from the egg. It's just the almond milk, the oil, and then I didn't say this, but I had garlic salt in there. The recipe that I use calls for normal salt, but I also know that garlic is something that people like to put in pão de queijo, so I put it in there. Heat it up, bring it to a boil, and then I can start mixing. All right, so I got my oil and my milk and my garlic, salt going into the polvilho. Mix this around. It's been a little giving me some difficulty the past couple times I've made this. It can be kind of volatile, but usually it always tastes good. So like that's dope. This is looking good though. Staying kind of firm. Might have to get the rest out of that saucepan. Let's see. Whoops. Alright, so this is looking pretty good. Let's add egg. Ooh. Cheese. Like a heaping quarter of a cup. Looks good to me. All right, I'm ready. It's mixed. This is actually, if anything, it's kind of dry, but I don't want to mess with it. So whatever. Usually it's too wet. Maybe I'm just traumatized. Whatever. All right, we're going in the oven. They look good. Ugh. I don't want to burn myself. That would be bad. Let's do, I usually will start with 15 minutes. I definitely want to start with 15 minutes now, especially because it's a little dry. Cool. All right, here's the final product. It went in for 16 minutes total. 15 looked like not quite enough. So try this recipe. It's in the comments. Let me know if you like it. Woo! And let me know what you think. All right, taste test. Cools down kind of quickly. Just kidding. Was it ever going to be bad? Of course not. It's always good. Try this out. Let me know how it was. See you guys. Thank you for watching.